I'm Delana, your UDL resource teacher, and today's Quick Bite on Read and Write is on the screenshot reader. On today's Quick Bite, you're going to learn something very important, and that is the screenshot reader. When you are on a Google web page and you are working with curriculum, specifically curriculum that pushes out its information with PDFs, it's going to be difficult to use the text-to-speech option. What you might want to do if you're on top of curriculum that's inaccessible is you are going to actually want to use the screenshot reader. To do that, you're going to go to the top and you see this dotted box with a mouse in it. If you hover over it, it does say screenshot reader. You're going to want to click down on this. The first time you do that, it will ask you to add the extension for screenshot reader. Go ahead and go through the steps to download the screenshot reader extension to your toolbar. Once you've done that, you will want to close out all of your tabs and reopen them so that it refreshes and realizes you've added a new extension. Past those steps, when you click on it and bring it down, you will have this giant addition mark on your page. To use the screenshot reader, you're going to want to click down and drag a box around the words you want it to read. Make sure you aren't cutting off anything in your box or pulling in other things from your box, because this is what it sounds like. Whatever's in the screenshot, it's going to read. So when I'm done, I let go and it will load
Each year,
and read.
Arctic ferns make a very long trip. These birds fly to the North Pole every spring. They spend the summer there to lay eggs and raise their young. They fly for the South Pole every fall, where they spend the winter. That's a trip of more than 21,000 miles each year.
An option you have with this is to actually copy the text. So at the top, if you see on the screenshot reader toolbar, I could hit play to read it again. I could pause it and I could stop it. But right here, right before you exit out, is a copy option. If I click that, I could copy the text and then I could go over and I could paste it somewhere else. So in this case, I'm just going to grab a blank Google Doc and I'm going to make sure I could paste it in there. So I'm going to do my right click and paste it over. And now I have the text over here. If I want to use the other tools on the toolbar, now I could do that now that it's been moved over from the original page. So if I want to know what a trip is, I could highlight, turn on my dictionary, my picture dictionary. I could use web search or anything else I need to on my toolbar from here. When you're using the screenshot reader inside of the platform you're on with a PDF, you can't utilize the other features. If I come in here, I am actually clicking down right now and dragging and nothing is happening. So this could be really frustrating for students that don't realize PDFs are actually locked versions of text. So they're considered inaccessible educational materials, unfortunately. To make them accessible, we just have to turn on the screenshot reader. Thanks for watching. To learn more about UDL resources, click subscribe.